Let's get right to it. Remove the 6 bolts under the fender. Don't miss the hidden one up in the hole. Pull the fender away from the body of the Jeep. It should detach from the plastic tabs. My driver's side was easy because it was already pulled away during trail damage. Don't forget to detach the turn signal. Before putting on the new fenders, remove the plastic tabs. Don't make this mistake. You don't need to remove these plastic tabs.
Watch out for that light.
And if you want to learn how to remove your rear fenders on a stock Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, check out the description below. There's a link to that video.